In this task, we need to create VPC using Terraform in AWS. So it's expecting main.tf file. So create main.tf file, and then in order to create VPC, you can type AWS VPC Terraform. We can go through this. So you just need to understand Terraform basics. You don't need to remember anything. Terraform basics and fundamental. That's enough. The remaining you can go to the document and you can create it. Because if you're working in AWS, if I have to create resource in Azure, if I don't know how do I do that? So I just need to have basic understanding of the cloud platform whichever you're creating, and then the rest of the things are similar except these resource blocks. I mean this provider and everything. So that's fine. Just go with this one, copy it and paste it. So you can use as is, or if you want to change it, you can change it. In this task, they didn't specify anything. And then cider block, that looks fine. I'm just gonna add some tags to recognize. So tags, gonna add a tag name and Nautilus VPC. That looks fine now. Now I'm gonna open a terminal by pressing Control and tilde symbol. I can run Terraform init. It says in USA East region 1, it's already creating in USA East region 1. In the provider block, they said that region only. Now run Terraform apply. Before that, if you can run EC2 describe -VPCs. So only one VPC, we don't have this Nautilus one. So once you apply Terraform apply and then press yes, if you run this again, now you can see our Nautilus VPC. So there are a couple of VPCs. So that's everything. If you click on check result, it's been done. Thank you so much for watching. Soon I'm gonna make Terraform Zero to Hero series. Thank you so much for watching again.